In this video, I'm going to unbox Vivo T3 5G. So this is available on Flipkart for 18,499 rupees, but its MRP is 22,999 rupees printed on the box. So this specific variant which I have bought is of 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM storage, but it is also available in 256GB storage variant. So this is a crystal flake color variant which I have bought, and it is also available in cosmic blue variant. So this features Mediatek Dimensity 7200 5G platform and Sony OIS anti-shake camera. It features 128Hz high brightness AMOLED display and dual stereo speakers. So now let's unbox this. Here are a few documentation and quick guide. So this is the phone wrapped in a plastic. So with this we get a free silicone case, and here is a fast charger with 44 volts, and here is a charging cable type A to type C, and there is one SIM ejector tool in the box. So these were the contents. Now let's unwrap the phone. So this is how the Vivo T3 looks like. So the back side of the phone is made up of polycarbonate material. This is a crystal flake color variant in which you get diamond type of design. So this features 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel rear camera. Crystal flake color variant has a matte finish, so it is better to use the case from the beginning, as it is made up of plastic polycarbonate material. It could easily get scratched. So the screen size is 6.67 inch Full HD plus display, and the front camera is of 16 megapixel. All the buttons are on the right side of the phone. Volume rocker, the power button, and at the bottom we get USB type C charging port, SIM tray, and the speaker grill. So now let's turn this phone on. So I will quickly set up the phone. So this phone features 5000 mAh battery, which could give a good backup. So I have set up the phone, and this is how the screen of the Vivo T3 looks like. So I'll increase the brightness of the phone to full, and here you can see this is how the brightness of the phone is. So there are few ads or adware in this phone which you can turn it off if you want to experience ad free or notification free experience. So this phone comes with FunTouch OS operating system, which is operating system designed by Vivo. So this phone is very quick enough and responds very fast, and it looks very premium. So with this phone we get a hybrid SIM slot in which we can insert two SIMs as well as one SD card. So I have purchased this phone for 18,499, plus additionally I have got a discount using the bank card offers. So if you are interested in purchasing this phone, then you can find the links of this phone in the description of the video. If you have any question regarding this phone, then you can comment below. I will try to answer your queries.